Everybody, my name is Cashman Rich. I'm the president and CEO of K5 World Marketing. I want to welcome you guys to SCU Wealth Builder. This is a program that's helping people to earn incredible money, man, by simply coming in with $5 and sharing it with 6 members, 6 other friends, family members. The program is very simple. It tells you right here, if you do not wish to invest $5 toward your own success, or you do not wish to recruit 6 other members, this is not the program for you. Instead of, wasting your time and hours, you can disconnect right now. And we understand, we really appreciate your time. But for those that understand the business, that understand that, it takes money to make money, it takes a sharing opportunity with other people in order for the thing to go forth. For those that understand that, it's a privilege and a pleasure to be able to introduce this to you guys. If you're ready to start cashing out daily, you are in the right place at the right time. You're about to learn how to turn a $5 one-time investment that's over 54K over and over and, of course, over again. You can make money in your sleep with this system because when you're asleep, there's somebody upgrading, there's somebody signing on. See, a lot of stuff is going on because when it's nighttime where you're at, it's daytime where someone else is at. If you're frustrated with lazy team builders, if you're frustrated trying to work with people that don't want to do the work, don't want to do the job, don't want to do anything, this here is not a matrix, so you don't have to worry about that. You can build as wide as you want. There's no spillover, which simply means non-stop profit. You could bring in 550, 500, 1,000 people. They'll all be directly up under you. To avoid being held back by deadbeats, we put this system in place where you could build as wide as you like. You can build a solid team. SCU Wealth Builder is a powerful system that can help you reach your financial goals by simply helping others to reach theirs. So as you help somebody to reach their goals, you're going to reach your goals also. We have great products and services over here. It helps you to build a powerful mobile ebook marketing business. Each level is actually a purchase and download center for you to build your own mobile ebook marketing company. That is amazing. You building a company with $5, guys. Where do they do that at? Nowhere. Okay. We have a 12-level automated advertising center also plugged in. This means that you could plug in 12 of your business opportunities. Say you got email processing, the Billion Coin, Motor Club of America. You could plug those links into your back office, and your team members that's joining you will have to watch those videos and the displays by default. They're going to have to see your business by default. So that means that your stuff is being advertised even when you don't know it. Just as well as someone might join this business opportunity, which is SCU, they may also click one of the links and join one of your other opportunities. That's powerful, guys. This is our wealth chart. We're going to run through this really quickly, and I'm going to get you guys up out of here. Now, moving from the left to the right, you see we have the phases. We have the $5, $10, $25, $50, $100, $250 levels. And, of course, we have our levels going down. All you do is bring in 6 people at the $5. That's going to give you $30. You upgrade for $10. That's going to leave you $20. You're already in profit mode. Remember, you came in with 5. You're already at 20. When your team duplicates your efforts in level 2, remember you went up to the 10. They're going to do the same. That's going to give you $60. From the 60, you're going to reinvest 25 of that, which leaves you 35. You're in profit mode again. When your team also duplicates your efforts doing the same thing, paying the 25, what's going to happen is you're going to have 150. From the 150, go up to the next level, which is $50, leaving you 100. That is amazing, right? Hardly no work and you're already making money, guys. That is what's super important. You can do this with the same 6 people. Just let the 6 people follow you. Let them bring in their team members. Just follow you. Look at the money that you're making already off a $5 investment. When your team members duplicate your efforts at $50, that's going to give you a total of $300 on level 4. From the 300, you're going to reinvest 100, banking 200. All of this money over here is spendable cash that you can pay your bills with, go shopping, buy grocery, whatever it is you want to do. When your team members duplicate your effort, because duplication is the key, when they duplicate you paying $100, guys, that means that you're going to have at that time $600. From the 600, a small investment. You notice how the investments are smaller than what you're actually bringing in? $250 investment, going to leave you with $350. Now, when you go into the last level for this phase, we have 2 phases, phase 1 and phase 2. This is phase 1. To complete phase 1, which is level 6, your team members are going to duplicate your efforts at $250 each, giving you a total of $1,500. From the $1,500, you're going to take $500 and go into your next phase and level 7. That's going to leave you $1,000 right here. Look at what you've made already. $1,700, guys, from a $5 investment. This is something that can happen this week. This isn't nothing that got to be way into the future. Moving into our next phase, which is phase 2. When your team members take that $500 and they pay it out to you, duplicating your effort for level 7, that's going to give you $3,000. From the $3,000, you're going to upgrade into level 8 for $1,000, leaving yourself $2,000, another $2,000, guys, right? When your team duplicate that effort going into level 8, just like you did, for the $1,000, that's going to give you $6,000. You're going to upgrade into the next level, which is level 9 for $1,500, leaving yourself $4,500 to pay bills with, go shopping, take a trip, whatever it is that you want to do from a $5 investment. Okay? When your team members duplicate your effort, going in level 9 for that $1,500, now you have $9,000. From the $9,000, you're going to, of course, upgrade into the $2,000 level, leaving yourself $7,000. When your team members, once again, duplicate your efforts, because duplication is the key, going into level number 10, based upon the 6 people, that multiplication table gives us $12,000. From the $12,000, look at this little bitty investment. That's a little investment. From $12,000, that's going to leave you $9,500. When your team members duplicate that $2,500 effort, paying it to you, times the 6 people, that multiplication gives us $15,000. From the $15,000, you're going to take a little bitty old $3,000 and you're going to go into the next level. That's going to leave you $12,000. Now we're going to finish off the system. But now when I say finish off the system, that just means we're going to finish off the phase. By no means do you have to stop. You can keep on going, right? The only thing you're going to do is sit at the top of this mountain, study passing down your $5 link, letting people build their way up. Okay, so going into level 12, if you're 10 people, you're 6 people rather, duplicate your $3,000 effort, that's going to give you $18,000. Now, because of the simple fact you've purchased all of the ebooks within this sales funnel, that means now you have nothing else to invest. You're going to bank the entire $18,000 for a total of $53,000 for phase number 2. When you total up the 2 phases, phase 1 and 2, that gives you $54,705 from a $5 investment. What you got to understand is this, guys. It's all just simple compounding. That's all it is. We're compounding the money. That's it. Compounding and walking with our profits. If you want to see a breakdown of this presentation again, we've put it right here in the how it works. What I just did with you is available right here in the website. So that's really why I don't bother recording, because you could come right back in here. There's a total breakdown of what we just did. Okay, so the only thing you need to do is follow the 6 steps to success, which is registering using your sponsor referral link for $5. There is no administrative fee. Isn't that wonderful? Setting up your SCU Wealth Builder back office, which is very important. Okay, you want to upgrade into level number 1 for $5. Share this opportunity with 6 friends or family members. Remember, 6 is just a number that we're using for for illustration purposes only. It could be 6, 60, 600, 6,000. It doesn't matter, right? You're going to collect the $30 based upon the 6 people times the $5. You're going to upgrade into level 2 for $10, banking $20. Then you want to continue that same progression, just like I did through the chart. Continue that same progression, and you're going to be set to go. Now, what I want to do right now is take you over to SCU and give you a look at some things, guys. Let you look at it. Now, this is important. Once you register on the front page, setting this up is very important. This is your back office. When you come into your back office, the first thing you want to do is this. The system is going to take you over to the dashboard. When you go to the dashboard, it's going to automatically have you to click step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. All of those steps are going to be taken care of right here anyway. So I just tell my team members, once I send you to the dashboard, just come right up here and click on your username. And that's going to bring you to where the dashboard is sending you anyway. You want to come back here. You want to make sure all of your information is correct. Your password, your email address, your phone number, and click update. Update that information first. Update each section first before you move to the next section. Then down here, you want to put in your payment processors. We always go with Bitcoin. That way we don't have a problem with bringing in people from other countries. So we use Bitcoin. Plus we use Bitcoin because we don't want to be paying taxes, guys. You getting all this money in and you collecting Square Cash, Google Wallet, PayPal, you're going to mess around and get yourself in some trouble, especially if you're receiving SSI and you know, disability, and, you know, you don't want to mess up your money. So just take Bitcoin and let your Bitcoin sit in your wallet, then move it to wherever you got to move it to take care of whatever you need to take care of. Now, down here where it has other options, this is how we put the other options in. Like you'll see my Square Cash information there, but right there you see a slash. You put a slash to separate each one of the payment processors that you want to put in there. You see Google Wallet is next. After Google Wallet is another slash. And no doubt I have another payment processor in there. After that payment processor, another slash. That's the way you don't confuse your people. They'll know that this Google Wallet, that's Square Cash, that's Chimp Change, that's PayPal, that's, you see what I'm saying, whatever. Okay, now, down here is where it gets real at it. I'm going to give you guys a good example of it, okay? Let's just say, for instance, okay, you want to put your business links back here. When it says your biz links, this is how you get your stuff advertised to others. You simply come back here. You want to click on where it says add link. You're going to see it down there if there's no links there. You're going to put that link in there. It's going to say number 1 automatically. You don't have to change the level. It's going to do it itself. But right here, you're going to put the name. You may say the billion coin. Then up under here, you're going to put the billion coin link. Then click add link. That's it. You just added one more. You just added a link there. If you want to add another link, bam, click on it. Come back, do the same thing. It's going to say 2. But remember, you can only add a link per level. So if you're on level 1, you can only add 1 link. If you're on level 2, you can only add another link, which will make it 2. If you're on level 5, you will only have 5 links visible because it's 1 link per upgrade. We have 12 levels, which means you're going to eventually have 12 links back there. You want to click on add link, make sure it's in there. You're good to go. Now, when you come back over here to the system, you're going to, this is very important, guys. Well, let me take you a little bit deeper because you really got to, I got to log back in. I knew it. The system, if you're not moving in the system for a certain amount of time, it locks you out. So give me a second. Let me get back in. All right. Should take me back in if I ain't mess up. Okay. Now, what you want to do is you go to the dashboard. This is very important. On the dashboard, remember I just had you to do everything, right? So the only thing that you should have to do over here is click on verify the email. When you click that, it's going to take you over. You're going to verify your email. You're going to be set to go. Then make sure that everything else has a check mark next to it. If it don't have a check mark, you won't be able to click on the part where it says upgrade to level 1. Everything above upgrade to level 1 must be completed. It must have a check mark. If not, just click on it, go back and take care of it. It's not a real big issue. When you're dealing with your downline, you want to come over here to downline. You want to look at your people. It'll tell you how many people you got, right? You got some people in the free. Send them an email. Tell them to come on and get involved, right? Then you have pending. Oh, look, I have some people that's pending. I need to come back in here when I get through with you guys and confirm them. When you click on pending, it takes you over here like this, and you're going to see this person here. And then what I got to do is click payment received. Bam, he's been confirmed. See that? Done, right? Very simple, guys. That's in your downline section. Now, the training, this is where those ebooks are tucked away. So when you first come in, your level 1 is the purchase of the website. That's what you see. Level number 2 is your first stack of ebooks. Bam. Reseller certificate and download the bundle. You got all of that, guys. And as you look, we have more and more ebooks each level. So not only are you getting our free advertisement every level, but you're getting these books that you're going to be selling, and you're selling them within the platform. Very good, right? This is an amazing system, guys. And I mean, as I come off of this, because I think my recording is about to stop. But anyway, I want to thank you guys for viewing that part with me. I'm going to jump into the Q&A